When a random sparrow lands on their shoulder. We just hope that people don't mind.
Не се страшить, е зло приязна.
If Chibi's up for it, then we should do it. Chibi's cleaning her feathers. She just travels on our shoulders.
She sees an umbrella and she gets terrified.
Umbrellas are a problem. Chibi is terrified of umbrellas.
But when we got her, she wasn't afraid of us.
One day, my friend told me that she found this little bird lying on the floor, but she couldn't keep it. So we said, yeah, we want to help, and we took Chibi home.
In the beginning, the only plan was to just release it when it starts flying. We were feeding her with the tweezers, and it was visible progress daily. One day she started yelling and singing.
Hey, Chibi, what a voice.
When she started flying, we realized we have to let her go.
She immediately flew away, and we thought, okay, this is it. But it was less than a minute, and Chibi was back on Alish's shoulder.
She kept on coming back.
Chibi, she's back again.
We realized that she wants to stay with us.
What a lovely puddle.
You can see the level of trust when she falls asleep on your leg. And her personality really developed. She's playful. She became quite bossy. And her feathers are puffed up.
She can fly freely everywhere. And we go out almost every day. Here is Chibi, and we're going out now. Chibi likes the name.
So now she is a part of the family.
We're so happy that everything went as it did.
There is a special bond between us.